Hey, Julie Gutierrez here. Just wanted to show you how to open a party for the first time. So once you log in, here's your back office. I'm on my dashboard right now. Go over here where it says open parties. Yours is going to be empty here. Right here is going to say create a new party. I believe yours will be bright green. So create a new party, follow the prompts. Type in what type of party it is, in-home party. Usually you'd have a launch party. Type in the name, click the date. Now you're not confined to this date. It doesn't matter if you keep that date, if you move it beforehand or after, none of that matters as long as you just put the date in. If you click I'm hosting, it's simple and easy and it'll have all of your info in there for you. And then you just hit start party now. I've never done that start party later, so I'm not sure what happens there. But I always just do start party now, and then I can do it later if I need to. I choose consultant shipping, or you can choose host shipping if it's a different hostess, or if you want all of your guests to get their packages direct to their home, then you would get direct shipping. And it's a little bit more pricey for their shipping, but it is a lot simpler for the hostess and the consultant. And then you're here to enter in their information. If you are going to close the party right away, then you can enter in the guest orders right here and they can get party shipping. If you're not going to order it or close it right away, then you can enter in the orders a different way. So let me go back. I'll show you in the dashboard. So your party will be right in here. If you have several parties, I have a lot of parties, so I click View All, and then I can see all of my parties here. Now, if you create your party and you want to share a party link, you click this arrow right here, and then all you have to do is hit Copy, and it'll copy the name, or you could do it manually like that. It'll copy the link, and then you can just go into your text and click it and send it out in text or email or Facebook or whatever you like. So that is a simple, easy way how to do a party. Thanks so much. Let me know if you have any questions.